Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable AirDrop if it's grayed out in Control Center. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your AirDrop has been grayed out in your Control Center, or you're unable to enable your AirDrop or to use your AirDrops, let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first, if your AirDrop is not completely disabled, so you might get in your General section. So go to your Settings app here. Go to General, and here you'll find AirDrop if it's not completely disabled. So here you can see if you're unable to find your AirDrop, so it might be that AirDrop has been completely disabled. Now to fix it, you have to simply go back, or very first I recommend you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issues. So go to Software Update section and just try to update your software to the latest iOS version. And after updating your software, just simply go back from here and just scroll down and look for screen time settings. Select this. Further scroll down and look for content and privacy restrictions. Or in short, you can disable all the restrictions from here, or you can also go ahead to allow apps and features and enable AirDrop from here. So after enabling your AirDrop will be enabled. So here you can see that AirDrop is now enabled and you can easily use your AirDrop. Or you can also find it in your general section now. So just go back and here you can go to general. And here you can see there's a in general you find AirDrop option. But if it's still not working for you, so you have to go to the transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone network. It will be fixing this step and you will not get the issue again. Or after doing this, if it's still not fix your issues, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix temporary glitches. Now to do this, you have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just leave the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have a single way. Just open your Apple Store app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Store Web. Select iPhone from here, select this More option, select AirDrop, and here just select Get More Help, then tap on Call. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.